I'm going to show you how to restore the vinyl on your massage table. I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday. Now the answer to this, how to restore the vinyl on your massage table, actually in this case prevention is the best cure. You want to really take the best care of your table as possible, because the better care you take of your table, the more it's going to last and allow you to make a good living with your table. So what you're going to do is between each use, you're going to wash the vinyl on your table with a nice antibacterial mild soap, and make sure you wash it off and dry it completely. You don't want it to mold or weaken the fabric. If you have some stains on your table, some table manufacturers actually recommend using 409 on your table and a gentle 4:1 dilution. Of course, this would mean 4 parts water, 1 part 409. And you want to use caution when you do this, because over time it can tend to fade or weaken your fabric. Now, the worst case scenario, if your vinyl on your massage table really needs some help, you can purchase any vinyl restoration liquid product at a drugstore, such as New Vinyl and such, and just follow the directions, and you should be good to go with the vinyl on your massage table. But just remember to always take really good care of your table, and it will take care of you. I'm Sunday with Natural Sunday. Have a great day.